Yes, sir. Before we sell it, if it would have sold for $1,000, I was still going to sell that engine. The main thing that concerns me is if you want that centerpiece, all you need to be concerned about is that you're the high bidder. That's all you need to be concerned. The time you find another 930 pounders for under $10,000, you probably won't be the buyer. So get it, help yourself. Hard to find things to put in your collection. Get in to help yourself. This is a nice piece.
That's right, 1100 to win 12. It's a Fisher. It's a Fisher. People in the hole, the board, and people in the big. People in the hole and a half. My friend, Peter the 500 owner. Peter the 500 owner, the 475.
You want to make it move, but always invest in the best.
That's right.
You know you don't find this every day.
475 is all. I can phone with 75. Now, this might be not quite good for 500. You take 555. I got 475 in the boot of high and 475. Unique shape animals are about $1,000. $1,000 and 500. You say 3. Thank you. Now high. 3 now forward. People have been forward for me.
We've got a list that's a low anvil. I don't think that's the common third for. I like the size, and I've never seen this one before.
Unique shape animals are about $1,000.
This condition's as good as I can get here. All this is best for the long bring them in better condition. This one right here. Thank you. Now 17. 1700. 17, sir. It's 17. 1600. 16 here. Here's 16. 16. You gotta lose this one. 16 here. And 15 wherever you're at. 15 and 16. You're standing your out. 15 and 16 here. Here's 16. 15 and 16. 16 he said no. So 1500.